Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today again and again, we are going to react to the song Kapangyarihan. No, this song is from Ben and Ben and SB19. It's a collab. It's a fucking masterpiece of a song. Um, but recently, SB19 performs in Tokyo, no, for their Simula at Wakas, and we have this, no. They talk about corruption. I mean, I never actually watched this yet. um may mga videos na napapanood ako, lalo na yung mga songs I do want to apologize, no. I mean, I don't know if you guys want us to react to it, but I actually always watch their performance pag nagpe-perform sila sa ibang lugar, no, like their songs, yeah, how they perform the songs, something like that. But I wanna make a video specifically for this because I see this on my For You page. So I wanna make a video for this and do a reaction before, I want us to watch this, like all of us, at the same time. No, SB19 Kapangyarihan saw Tokyo talks about corruption in the Philippines. I mean, it's about damn time. No, it's about damn time. Kasi it seems like there's a lot of Filipinos or fans na parang may nag-send nga sa akin, no, si Ma'am Syra. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Sa Messenger, he sends a screenshot of a fan na nagsasabi kay Justin na they want Justin to speak up, about this situation that we have in the Philippines, no? And yun nga, nag-respond nga si Justin doon. Sabi niya, mahanap lang siya ng tiyempo or meron siyang, may magsasalita siya. I mean, he just wanna make sure na kasalita siya with the whole SB19 because again, he said doon na mas powerful yung tinig nila pag lahat sila nagsabi kasi mas malaki yung sakop kumbaga pag SB19 na nagsalita, hindi lang siya specifically. But yeah, I mean, let's see. No, I'm really excited with this. Well, without no further ado, man, let's get it.
Before kami pumasok sa next performance namin, gusto ko lang magsalita kahit kakaunti. I just wanna tell you guys that, nasa tour kami for almost half a year na.
So,
And alam nating lahat na sobrang daming nangyayari sa Pilipinas ngayon.
let's go.
And I just want to let all the people know here at sa kung sino man makakapanood nito sa social media back in the Philippines, I hope they know and feel na sumusuporta kami kahit wala kami doon. Yeah. Mahal namin ang Pilipinas. Alam mo lahat yan. And I know that you guys love Philippines as well. With all your heart, with all your soul. So yeah, gusto ko lang malaman ninyo lahat yan and sa lahat ng tao na nanonood ngayon.
And also,
May padibdib
hindi
na.
lang bilang isang Pilipino,
I'm sorry, may padibdib na naman pala si Stel dito.
as an artist na din, ang pagtungtong at pagpe-perform sa entablado ay ang paraan namin ng pagprotesta.
Yep.
Wala man kami sa kalsada sa mga panahon o araw na nangyari yon, pero buong-buo ang suporta namin para sa lahat ng lumalaban, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw ng hustisya sa korupsyon at pagnanakaw sa kabanang bayan.
Siyempre, as SB19, at kahit hindi pa kami SB19, gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal namin ang Pilipinas. Marami kaming ginagawa, marami kaming mga tinatry gawin para makatulong sa Pilipinas matagal na. At para sa mga pumupuna, kung bakit daw ba nagagalit o nakakapagsalita ng mga hindi magagandang salita, syempre, hindi naman tayo lagi.
Oh, by the way, okay, so is he addressing about his or their post with like the video of Pablo and Josh. I mean, Syra also sent us a little bit of a screenshot about that. No, it's nakakatuwa. I mean, if you guys remember on our last live stream, I'm actually asking if you guys have, or if you can send me like a link or something. But yeah, I mean, I have nakakatuwa yung iba dito. One second. Is this? What is this? So yun na nga, merong mga gusto ko sabihin is merong mga ng bash kay Pablo and kay specifically kay Josh because of cursing about the issue, which is I feel like karapat dapat naman eh. Sobrang karapat dapat. So we have a post in here. I don't know if I can pull it up. For me. Can I pull this up? Yeah, this one. So it says, posted by Arises. This is actually sent to us by Syra. Authenticity isn't about squaring or sounding tough. It's about being consistent, sincere, and respectful on or off camera. Some people admire him for being real because he swears and speaks boldly, but let's be honest, cursing alone doesn't prove authenticity. In many cases, it can be used to create the illusion of being raw, honest, or unfiltered. Just because someone uses strong language in public doesn't automatically make them trustworthy. What truly reveals someone's character is how they act behind the scenes. When there is no audience, no cameras, no image to protect. Remember, there was a leaked convo that shows a very different side of him, saying he wouldn't even talk to a fellow member if they weren't in the same group. That's a revealing statement. You have another one. Some people, yun na pala yun. So yeah, I mean basically, yun yung post. Kumbaga, I mean, we all know who o kung sino yung pinapatamaan dito. And we have this. From Arises, Patola ang idol nyo, authenticity at its finest. He cursed while calling out corruption during national crisis, and you're dragging some off-topic leak convo to discredit that. Stay on topic. He spoke for his people. What have you done? That's true. 'Di ba? Like, gumagamit siya ng mga bagay na nangyari or iba sa pangyayari para lang i-discredit si Josh. And come on, let's fucking think about this. We're talking about the corruption in the Philippines, like what is happening, which is mali. And binagbigay lang si Pablo and si Josh ng yung thoughts nila about wala nga masyado They just altered a little bit of the lyrics of kapangyarihan and they curses. I mean, Vice ganda I mean, sa speech niya, there's a lot of profanity, Nagmura siya. Paulit-ulit, ininganyo pa niya yung mga tao magmura. Again, that's Vice Ganda's way to, show kung gaano ka strong yung emotion na nararamdaman niya tungkol sa nangyayari. Right? And lahat tayo galit. And I don't know why this fucking Arises is calling out Josh for this. Like, why? What is the reason? Like, ano ang nakuha mo no, sa paggawa ng mga ganitong bagay. Like, why? Hindi ka ba opposed sa nangyayari? No one's saying calling out corruption wasn't important, but swearing alone doesn't make someone authentic. I mean, sure, let's talk about authenticity. So what do you mean about this? Are you just trying to like really hate to Josh? Because on this situation, I mean, everyone is may karapatan para magmura sa nangyayari, no? So lahat ba sa'yo para sa'yo is just a show? You know? For SB90, like it's just for them to be viral or something. So basically, ang sinasabi mo ba, every time that they're going to, you know, magsasalita sila, ilalabas nila yung sariling sila na hindi usually nakikita ng ibang tao eh. Ano na? Hindi na authentic, you know, nagpapanggap na lang, ganon. That's the downside of being so famous. And that's the downside of being, you know, people used to your image being so pure, you know, just a good-looking dude that is good at dancing and singing and performing. You know, they expect you to do the same every time. Like, come on. I know I am a little bit of ano naman ngayon, no? Dito. Triggered because I am. Because I am, no? Yung nabasa ko to. So, I mean, Astro Bay 878, Astro Bay, no? Is defending SB19 dito, which is big ups, no? Josh spoke up about corruption during a national crisis. Convo to question his authenticity while people are literally drowning. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, what do you mean? Like, you're busy criticizing Josh. Hindi na, parang nakalimutan mo na yung pinaka-topic dito, yung sitwasyon, no? If you care about patterns, maybe start with ones in the government budget, not stand group chats, right? Kung gusto mo mambatikos ng iba, bakit hindi yung gobyerno muna, no? After mo batikusin yung gobyerno, I mean, tsaka ka bumalik. Diba? I mean, di naman mawawala yung basher eh. But the thing is, what the fuck, man? Like, you have time to criticize Josh, but seems like it's okay to you na the government is like just fucking us, you know? So, Arises responded to this saying that cool that you care about corruption, but one moment doesn't erase a pattern of shady behavior. And questioning authenticity isn't tone policing. It's calling out hypocrisy you choose to ignore. No. I mean, ako personally, even if I'm a big fan of that person, if mukhang hypocrite yung nangyayari, no? I'm gonna call out that person. Kung nagkaroon si Josh and mukha talagang hindi naman, no? Mukhang hindi authentic. I mean, I'll be honest to you guys. Kahit na magalit kayo sa akin or hindi nyo matanggap or hindi nyo malunok, sasabihin ko na paki-hypocrite naman ni Josh. No? I don't fucking care. But kung papanood mo si Josh in all of their vlogs, no? Josh always has a strong opinion, especially sa mga bagay na alam niya or alam niya yung gusto niya sabihin, no? So, Arises, I mean, I don't want to talk about this anymore, but
Laging ganun.
man,
Pero may karapatan
Triggered
tayong
ako doon.
magalit. Kapag tayo ay ninanakawan na.
true.
Gusto ko lang sabihin, magkakaiba man kayo ng paniniwala, magkakaiba kayo ng, syempre, na sinusuportahan. Kahit sino pa yan, basta magnanakaw, may karapatan tayong magalit.
Yep.
Dahil tayo ang isa sa mga tumutulong sa Pilipinas. So, hindi nila pwedeng abusuhin ang kanilang kapangyarihan.
Sa lahat po ng nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, imposible na hindi pa ito natin nakikita. No? Harap-harapan na po tayong niloloko and oras na po para mamulat. Hindi
Coming
na
from
pwedeng,
Justin, no?
hayaan na lang yan, mauulit lang din yan. Marami po tayong pwedeng gawin. And kahit ano pa po yan, kahit hindi pa yan nakikita or naririnig, basta para po sa bayan natin, sana po gawin natin.
Itong susunod na aawilin namin. This was originally composed by Ben and Ben.
Let's go.
Siyempre po bilang isang Pilipino, hindi dapat talaga tayo manahimik. Lalo na kapag inaalipusto na tayo. So itong next song namin, inaalay namin para sa mga pinipilit patahimikin ng mga boses.
Wait, let me just change screen because I feel like their I mean, naka-portrait siya, kumbaga. Hindi siya sobrang full screen. So,
At para sa mga Pilipinong patuloy na lumalaban sa hustisya. So kung alam niyo po yung mga salita, sabay-sabay natin ulitin. This is the Pangasinan.
let's go!
Alam niyo ba ang kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo? Sino ba kayo?
Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? I'm sorry. So, I guess it got copyrighted, no? Ah, man. Got unmuted. Shit. So we're gonna go on Facebook.
Performance namin.
Hindi lang bilang isang Pilipino lumalaban, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw, para sa lahat ng sumisigaw ng hustisya, sa korupsyon at
Magandang salita. May karapatan
Ngayon sa Pilipinas, basta para
Sa mga
By the way, no, Justin is rapping. I mean, this is one of the great part of the song. No? Justin is rapping.
sabay-sabay po tayo!
Ben has just created a masterpiece. The banger song. That is still my favorite part of the song, no? Nagsisilbi ka dapat. And man, nagsisilbi ka dapat. inuluklok ka sa pwesto kasi ni-expect namin na magsisilbi ka. That is one of the things na ipinangako mo. Louder.
That's right.
That's fucking right, man.
Siyempre para sa atin at para sa bayan, patuloy tayo lalaban para sa hustisya. Tama?
Yes, go.
Yes, sir.
Ang sabi ko doon, yes, go. Yes, I'll go. Alright, well again, that is SB19 performing kapangyarihan, no? Simula at Kas Tokyo. And also talk about corruption. I mean, I want to apologize if I got triggered for a little bit there, no? I just don't understand bakit parang yun pa yung ginagawang like a big deal, no? Na meron tayong mas kinakaharap na dapat pinag-uusapan. Like, why criticize, this artist na gusto lang nilang ilabas ang kanilang pinanaing kasi wala sila sa Pilipinas, no? Wala sila para ipakita. So, they just wanna, make sure that every Filipino knows that they actually hear, they actually watch, they are aware of what is happening. And galit din sila. But anyway, well, we don't actually fucking care about them, no? Honestly, it doesn't matter. Tulad ng Arises na yun, I mean, man, I don't know if you're just rage baiting, but you succeed in that. But that is our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yan. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-react ng artist, man, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. And that is our video for today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.